Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a quick video showing you how to do online check-in. And now this is something you can do, I believe it's up to 60 days in advance. I'll write it in if that's not correct. Up to 60 days in advance of the start of your trip before you actually check into your Disney World hotel so that you can cut down on the amount of time it takes you to actually check in at the front desk. Now you still have to go to the front desk. There is a separate line for online check-in. It goes faster because they don't have as many questions to ask you, and you'll have your credit card information already stored in there. So that does save quite a bit of time, but you do still need to go to the front desk or the online check-in desk. And additionally, you are not getting your room assigned you're not gonna get your room assigned a day in advance or anything like that. Your room is assigned at check-in, and it's assigned when you actually get there. So you're not going to know ahead of time if your requests were actually honored or not. You'll see when I show you the screenshots, the requests you can enter. Now, if you want to request something different than the options they give you, if I'm your travel agent, I can do that for you. If you have a travel agent, you cannot send your own requests into Disney. It has to go through your travel agent. They won't accept them otherwise. So we have to enter those for you. But some people make requests of adjoining rooms or connecting rooms with another party. That is not guaranteed. They do their best to accommodate, but it is not guaranteed. Or if some people want a specific room, like they want this room number or whatever, which my husband and I have done before. We wanted to stay in the exact room that we had for our honeymoon. Oh dear, okay. I got a little overzealous there. We wanted to stay in the exact room that we stayed in for our honeymoon. And that was at the Grand Floridian, and they actually were able to honor that, so that was very cool. But yeah, people request all kinds of different things, certain views, whatever. But anyway, long story short, this is how you do the online check-in. So if you're interested, take a look. Okay, welcome to my computer. So today I'm going to show you how to do online check-in. So when you are I'm on the Disney World homepage. I've logged into my account already, and you're from the My Disney Experience tab on the right-hand side. You can see you go to My Reservations and Tickets and click on that. And it brings you to this next page, and you'll see I have a message here. Just ignore that. This is where, obviously, you'll see if they have to make a change for one of your fast passes. This is where they will notify you. So you'll see your hotel reservations down below, and I just blocked out some information I didn't feel the need to share. Then you're going to want to click on Start Check-In. Then it brings you to this page, and you need to enter your phone number and your email address. And then click on Save down here at the bottom. Okay, so then it is going to ask what time you plan on arriving at the resort. And it can, like you can see, it can start from before 7 a.m. and then in half-hour increments go throughout the day. So then you're going to pick which time you expect to be arriving at the resort, and then you're going to want to click on I agree right here and read and agree to the terms and conditions, and then again click Save on the bottom right. Okay, so the next part that you're going to want to do is click on Edit up here in the upper right hand side, and that is where you're going to enter the credit card information that you want them to keep on file. And like it says, you need to have a credit card for incidentals. You get that when you check into any hotel anywhere. So use the credit card that you want to use for incidentals. And then this is also the page where you can enter your room requests, location for your rooms, and edit your home address. Okay, so you can see here, this is the screen or the part of the screen where you are going to make your room location requests. And you can see you have 2 requests that you're able to enter, and the options they give you are the same for each. And the options that they give you are dependent on your resort. These are the choices I had for my room type at Port Orleans Riverside, which is a royal guest room. So I could pick a corner room, ground floor, or highest floor. And they change, like I said, they change based on the resort you're staying at. These are my options at the Wilderness Lodge. So at the Wilderness Lodge, I can choose, club level at the Wilderness Lodge, I should say, I can choose either highest floor or near elevator. So you are going to want to pick, if that matters to you, up to 2 requests. And then if you need to update your address, this is your home address down here, you'll do so just by clicking edit. Then I agree and save. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to do. There's really, it's pretty common sense. There's not that much to it, but it will save you some time. Like I said, you do still have to go to the desk, the online check-in desk when you actually arrive at your hotel, but it will cut down on quite a bit of time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.